Hi everyone, I'm George, welcome to Christmas Kitchen. Today I'm taking a look at the Bosch aquastar 6 litre XL. It's a good basic dishwasher for our family to use. All of the buttons are nice and tactile. Okay, nice and easy off on. If I turn it on, you can see it's got a number of programs available. You've got your intensive, auto, eco, delicate, turbo, pre-rinse, and then it's also got indicators for when you need to refill the machine with any salts or rinse aid. My favourite function, or the function that I use the most, would be the auto function. What that does is it rinses water through the appliance and it monitors how clean it is. If it's dirty, it will do another wash cycle, and it will keep doing that until your dishes are fully cleaned. So if they're not that dirty, you can do that, and it will finish the program early. We'll also, if I put it on intensive, you can see with each program or with most programs, you can adjust the speed. So if you just want to do a very quick wash, you can press variable speed and it will reduce the length of the wash by 45 minutes. So it will bring it down to an hour and a half instead of 2 hours 15. And it doesn't work, or it does work for eco. What eco does is it will heat up the water slower, and what it does is by gradually increasing the temperature of the water, that uses less energy overall and it makes it more energy efficient. It works very well in our family. That's 2 adults, 2 children, and that's all you need really. With the auto function, you're using the least amount of water necessary, and you're using the least amount of energy necessary. Overall, it's a good machine, and it will do everything you need it to. And again, the buttons make it nice and easy to operate. You just turn it on, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Any questions about the appliance, just let me know. I'll try and answer them. Just leave a comment below. If you like the video, like it. If you want to watch some more, please subscribe. Any feedback is very welcome. Thank you very much. Bye bye.